Hi everyone, this is Kenny here. So on January 2025 was actually my 10th month in this real estate business. So my 10th month, as usual, we'll start with revenue, meaning the commission, how much commission I earn. So commission I've shared with you is actually this last month I managed to collect 3,000 in commission. 3,000 means inside my account got 3,000 Okay, that's how we define commission from real estate. From the other two sources, which is Shopee and TikTok, there's a few hundreds only. I really didn't keep track these two, and even YouTube also, SS lagi lah, didn't keep track because the amount is too small. And then this channel is about real estate lah. So 3,000 right is way behind on my actual target of my 25,000. Okay, so I've been trying to see what I can do this year to actually achieve that 25,000. And I've also want to announce that I'm very changing company starting in February 2025. From my previous company, now it's a new company. Okay, so I change for higher profit, share split, higher profit sharing, higher commission basically. Okay, and also progress growth. Okay, so I change you all will know which company next time when I share, because I will have to change all my details. And what else? Very far, 25,000 is my target. 25,000 net, meaning I have to do more so I think that's all. The next part is that I don't know whether I should be sharing my actual figures or not, because frankly speaking, I feel that I feel that I know that I'm being judged out there for sharing my figures, because in 10 months you still collect only 3,000. Are you kidding me? How you survive as a real estate agent? But this is the reality, out there. You see those real estate agents that driving Lambo driving a big car making the commissions check, large commission check, 100,000 a month, 50,000 a month. It doesn't come in one day or even 1 year sometimes. Some maybe they get lucky, like 1-2 months, then you see a 50,000 check come in. But for the majority of us, right, we go through a phase where we need to search here and there. Yeah, we do have our mentors who guide us, but as usual, mentors is only a guide. Okay, so I don't know whether I should be sharing my the actual figures of my commissions or not. But I've made a promise to myself to share more transparently outside for anyone who's just starting out. Okay, because as I mentioned time and time again in this channel, I wish actually I had someone to guide me when I first started buying a house, investing in properties, and third one, trying to be a real estate agent now. I wish I had someone like this. So I'm trying to be that person online for you all, for you all who may be lost, maybe don't know what to do, and you are still looking around. I hope to share this journey, document my journey, so that it gives you inspiration, you use ideas to move forward. That's all I'm trying to do. Okay, so moving forward, I will still continue this. I will update you all what I do and all the strategies and all the things that don't go right, things that go right, and why I think it's that way. Okay, so that's it for me. And this month is only last month was only 3,000. This month, February, is a very short month. I do have some listings in hand. By hoping to this month I can actually maybe the revenue can be a few thousand also this month. Okay, but I need to get more listings this month. So that's it. This is Kenny here from Property Stories, and I'll see you again next video. Bye bye.